Now, I'm at the abandoned Quality Inn. Hi, I'm Charlie A623. Welcome back. And right now, I just got done filming the abandoned Perkins across the street. Now, I'm filming this place. Abandoned Motel 8. So, this one, I think, closed around the same time as the Perkins. So, I'm gonna go check this out quickly. So, because this place, it's, unlike the Perkins, it's really in bad shape. So, you know, it probably was closed more than that, so I'm just gonna go check this place out. So let's go check this place out. Here's a look at the outside. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna go up the stairs or not. I'm probably not, because it's just not what I would like to do. Sorry about the glare, it's pretty. It's like a service desk. And there's nothing really to see over there. There's where the sign used to be. Oh, you can't really see. Oh, you can hear. Oh, it's pitch black in there. Nothing really to see. Holy crap. Whoa. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Geez, this place is giving me the creeps. Check it here. Holy crap. Alright, I'm gonna make this quick. Let's see what's in here. Oh, it looks like a bathroom. Yeah, but I was not expecting this. Like I said, I'm not here to vandalize anything. I'm just checking this place out. Yeah, but this place is a wreck. There's nothing to see. I'm gonna check out a few of the rooms, but I highly doubt they will be open. Oh, what's in here? Oh, it's just a mattress. You know, the rooms are pretty dark, so I highly doubt you would see anything. Yeah, it's just the bathroom. Yeah, the rooms look pretty dark. There's usually nothing. No, there's the old power cables thing. Yeah, and also, I'm not here to, like, steal anything. I mean, you know, sometimes I may just pick something up to look at it, but if I do, I just put it back right where I find it. I mean, I'm not here to do anything but that. I'm just checking it out. Oh, it's just an air vent. Yeah, I better hurry up. I've been sort of lagging. Here's another look. I'm not even going to go up there because I think that's just a waste of time. Holy crap. That place is a wreck. Oh, that's just the same place. Yeah, I mean, this place I would expect the rooms to be a wreck because, yeah, you can tell things are starting to fall apart, and I mean, I wouldn't even go in the rooms because, yeah, look at that. A bunch of ceiling tiles are falling down, and this place is taking a beating. There's where the pool used to be. Boy, is that a wreck. Looks like it's starting to even turn into a pond. Yeah, that's nasty. I wouldn't even want to swim in there anytime. Yeah, you know, I think this place might have been closed a longer period of time. Yeah, there's nothing in there. Just look at that area. Oh, look. A little bit of the room. Yeah, sorry about the glare. Yeah, that's pretty cool. At least I didn't get rid of everything. Oh, that's pretty bad. That's just a bunch of useless junk. Yeah, but I was not expecting this place to be this complex. Oh, there's nothing to see. You know, I was expecting it just to be the outside. Like, I never would have expected all this. But it's awesome, though. Okay, I'm gonna head out of here. This place is giving me the creeps. Okay, that was Motel 8, and sorry about that. Like, it's a bit. I'm just gonna go over here, but hope you liked it. I mean, this place, it's in really bad shape. I mean, I highly doubt anybody's gonna want to buy this place because there's probably like a lot of mold and whatever. But there's probably even like animals living in there. So yeah, I mean, I don't think anybody's gonna buy this. It's probably gonna get demolished soon. But I'm glad I filmed it before it's gone. But so anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you later.